push the case properly, strategically, and aggressively, you can get more money than the insurance policy. And in our industry, we call that opening the insurance policy. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Modern Lawyer Podcast. My name is Ali Razavi, or you might know me as YourLawyerAli. I started my company 5 years ago. I started a law firm. We do personal injury. I love what I do. So this podcast is going to be moderated by Justin, and I think Justin has some questions for me. We're called the Modern Lawyer Podcast because, by definition, I'm a millennial. And I know there's a very bad connotation with being a millennial. People don't have the greatest things to say about them, that, they're lazy, that they're entitled. And I can't speak for everybody, but I do know that the millennials were raised on technology. And being able to bring technology to a conservative field, a traditional field, really changes the landscape of law. For example, our entire law firm is paperless. You're not going to see a bunch of files and paperwork everywhere. The transfer of files is a lot more quick and efficient. We use Zoom depositions and court call. Although, we have a conference room, most of everything that we do is video phone. And then we use e-signature to sign up our clients. So, the days of having the client drive, 30 miles to our office, those days are done. Just like Nike, just do it. You have to put yourself out there. You got to try. The biggest failure is just not trying. And life begins at the end of your comfort zone. So get uncomfortable and put yourself out there. I've been to quite a few countries. I like to learn about, different cultures. My background, I was a history major at UCLA, so I like the history of different countries. I like people. I like learning about people. I like meeting people. I think that helps out in what I do for work. I like health and fitness and working out, playing soccer, and, hanging out with my friends and family. Just a normal person. We put a lot of value on our team, on our employees. The hiring process, we don't just hire anyone. There's multiple rounds of interviews and want something that's bigger than themselves, someone that wants more in life. They're not looking for just a job, someone that wants to make a difference and leave a dent in this world. And so a lot of the employees that we do have are highly educated, PhD students, master's students, doctorates, and I'm not even talking about the lawyers. But it's honestly a bunch of entrepreneurs in one place. And Razavi Law Group has become a platform for people to create themselves and build something bigger than themselves. I was born and raised in Orange County, in Mission Viejo, actually. 3 older sisters. Parents have been married for 45 years. And my father's dad, so my grandfather, my great uncles, and my great grandfather, they were all attorneys. And my dad always wanted one of his kids to become a lawyer. So here we are. I like personal injury because we represent the little guy against big insurance companies and corporations. It's a true underdog story. We get to bring the fight that our clients couldn't bring alone. And a lot of times, unfortunately, people can't afford lawyers. So we are contingency lawyers. We do the work ahead of time. We recover the money, and then we get a percentage of our recovery. So at the end of this, the lawyer cuts the client a check so they don't ever have to worry about paying us or be in a financial strap. Good question. I appreciate it. When you purchase insurance, every insurance has a policy limit. That's the maximum money that the insurance company will pay out. Sometimes if you push the case properly, strategically, and aggressively, you can get more money than the insurance policy. And in our industry, we call that opening the insurance policy. Which brings me to my next point. I appreciate you guys listening. Follow us for next week. I'm going to introduce you to a trailblazer in the legal field. He's one of our lawyers, Gabriel Vi, and he's going to tell you how he opened the policy. Thank you.